When it comes to retirement, it boils down to two things: how much you have saved, what risk are you willing to take to invest that money. So, and you can go as complex as you want, or you can go as simplest as you want. But in this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to invest your money, not that much money, just a little bit of money, and you'll be able to retire in any medium city in the US. Before going too deep to show you the spreadsheet that I've made and see how much you can invest to retire, I'm going to actually show you the graph of this ETF, YieldMax Ultra Option Income Strategy ETF. The price right now is 18.49 USD, and you can see today, you know, that was yesterday on the market. It just it was almost flat. But if we look at the 5 days, we can see there's a gain of 3%. If we go to 1 month, we can see there's a loss of 7% because this hasn't been around for a long time. If we go all the way to max, we can see this fund has lost about 7%. 52-week range is been from all the way from 1708 to 2055. It has recovered from where it crashed all the way to 17, and now it's going up, and so there's no need to panic on the downside. In fact, you have received dividends if you invest in this one, so that dividend would pretty much make up for that loss. Let me dive a bit into this fund here to show you what it is. So if we look at the distribution yield right now, it's 69.25. This is its current yield, right? In the full name is YieldMax Ultra Option Income Strategy ETF, or ULTY. Is an active managed fund that seek to generate monthly income, you know, using a cover call strategy. And this fund actually invests directly in underlying stocks. This is different from other YieldMax ETFs like ULTY and YieldMax, because those ones actually, they are fund of funds which they use other cover call synthetic cover call ETF to invest. This one actually invests directly. If you look at the current distribution amount, this is the first time they pay dividend, which they did pay on the March 18th, and that was $1.07. If we look at the fund overview, I've already mentioned this is a fund of fund that, of course, use a cover call strategy to generate monthly income using the underlying stocks that I'll show you here a few stocks that they invest in. If we look at the fund information, we can see ticker symbol is ULTY, and the fund inception was on February 28th, 2024. Traded on New York Stock Exchange. Net expense ratio right now is 1.14. This is how much you're paying to invest your money. And we look at the net asset value right now has accumulated over 35 million. So if we look at the holdings, these are the top 10 holdings that this fund is investing or write calls on. And we can see there's Arms Holding. This is one of their biggest. We can see Arms Holding right now, the weight is only 4%, and the second one is Astra Therapeutics, is also about 4% of the portfolio. And they do write a call on this one. We can see there's a call expiration date. Not only they invest in this, but also they do write calls on these stocks. We can see there's a CleanSpark, there's a Coinbase Global, you know where Coinbase is with the crypto going up right now. So this is a good strategy. We look at the Coinbase right now is 4.78. We look at the Carvana is about 4.9, almost about 5% of that. Giga Cloud Technology is about 4%, and there's a GameStop. Oh, I didn't know they do invest in GameStop. But of course, GameStop is very volatile, so it's a good, something very good to write a calls on it. And we can see they have 4 and 48%, 444 of their portfolio. And we have Robinhood, about 5.39% as a weight of that stocks. So these are the main, you can see most of these stocks are very, you know, very volatile stocks. And of course, they do write on these one. They invest in these stocks because as a volatile stocks it is, that's how you can generate a lot of money when it comes to cover call a rating. Is it the right way to invest? That's up to managers and their strategy that they believe it works for this fund to generate a high yield monthly income. Now let's go to this spreadsheet so I can show you how much you need to invest in order for you to retire early. So here it is. The ticker symbol is ULTY. A current price right now is 18.42. Portfolio composition or allocation of your portfolio is 100%. So you're talking about like 100% of your money that I'm going to show you that you invest in ULTY. And then current monthly payment is 107 that we have right now, and annual total of, if you do that times 12, it will be $12.78, and annualized yield will be about 69.40 at the current yield. Before going to this spreadsheet, please consider subscribing to this channel so you don't miss this type of great updates. And if you like this content, please consider giving me a like. If you want to retire, for example, with only $6,000 monthly income, then you're going to put 104, and you're going to get, at the current price, you're going to get 146 shares, which is going to give you that amount, and then annual income will be 72,177. If you want to up that one to make it even more, then you're going to invest 145. That will give you 7,872 shares, and that will equate to 8,386 monthly income, or equal to 100,631 So with this type of amount of money, either you're getting 72,106. This is a significant amount of money for just that little investment you make, because 100,000 is not that much. But imagine in many modern small city, you can actually retire with this one. City like Phoenix, even Las Vegas is very cheap. For that modest of amount that you invest, only 104 or 145, and then you'll be able to generate about 72,000 or 106 annual income. That's significant, and especially live in the states where you don't have to pay taxes, like Montana, Las Vegas, or Nevada. Those are the places you can actually just be able to retire, or even Florida with 72,000, no income taxes. You'll be able to retire with only this amount of money. So whether you're going to put all your money in this one ETF, that's up to you. But if you want to know more about other diversified portfolio using the same strategy, I'm going to make another video to show you how that is going to work out. But that's for next video. A couple things I need to mention really quick. This is not financial advice. This is just hypothetical income you can make, or either 72,000 or 100,000 if YieldMax maintain the same yield that they're paying currently, which is about 69, almost 7%, and of course $1 or 7 monthly. But as you know, YieldMax might change this yield or might change the payment in the future, and you're not guaranteed to be making the same amount of money. So that's something I really wanted to mention. Also, I'm going to make other videos on how to invest very little to retire, whether using YieldMax ETF or any other ETFs. And I can also make a video on a blend ETFs, using the same method. So please consider subscribing to this channel so you don't miss those type of update. And if you like this content, consider give me a like and leave a comment if you have anything to mention about this type of ETF investment on this strategy, or if you are doing this, just let us know in a comment below. So till we meet again next video. Bye bye.